guys, oh my gosh, I am so excited. So if you did not catch it on Instagram, I made a huge announcement yesterday, and this is major. This is the first time we've ever done anything like this with Love Sweat Fitness, and it was all inspired by you girls and the summer shape up. You have been working so hard, working your booties off, getting your sweat on, and I'm so proud of you. So we wanted to do something super special to help you celebrate. So check this out. We have our first ever summer sweat bundle. You guys, the stuff inside of here is absolutely amazing. Look at it, it's got all the good things. All of them. Ugh, they're such cool stuff. And the best part is, these are all brand new Lsf gear products that you've never seen before. And the stuff is so cool. Like, I cannot wait to show you what's inside. So I'll show you the first one because I'm already giving you a little clue because I'm rocking it today. We have a brand new Lsf. It's a little like baby tee crop. This material is so freaking soft and comfy. And then you have Love Sweat Fitness and script across the chest, which is just like really cute, super girly. I'm obsessed with it. I've been wearing it for weeks and I had to like keep hiding it in my story because we didn't launch it yet and I didn't want you guys to see it. But now I can finally show you and wear it proud, and I just love it. Like, it's so cute working out, but also with like jean shorts or like a high-waisted pant. Like, it's adorable for all things. So in your bundle box, you're gonna get that shirt. How cute is it? And you guys, this stuff is only available in the bundle and it's a great price. Like, you have to go grab it. Everything's like super, super good in there. Okay, so little bundle tank top there. We have a brand new Lsf hat. This is so cute. It's like a dad hat, little like baseball cap with Love Sweat Fitness in script across the top there. So in the little like white script. It's adjustable in the back, so one size fits all. This color is so cute because it's just like subtle pink. It's not like over the top. Goes with basically everything. I've been wearing this for a while and you guys were asking me on Instagram if we were ever gonna get it. Here it is. It is in the bundle for you. Okay, you're also gonna get Vital Proteins, which you guys know I've used Vital for years. It's probably one of the only products that I've consistently used over and over every single day for the last several years. It's like amazing source of protein, grass-fed. It gives you like benefits for your hair, your skin, your nails, everything. And then you get that really clean protein too. So you're getting a whole jar of that. You're getting two of my favorite beauty products. So the Qatari Deodorant. I'm always trying new natural deodorants, you guys. This one's really good. It smells so delicious because it's like coconut deodorant, but it's just like a subtle coconut. It's clear. It's a little like roller. So cute. Smells good. And it doesn't have any of the fillers and things that can clog your pores that a lot of natural deodorants have. Plus, since it's natural, it doesn't have aluminum or anything. So you're getting the full-size deodorant. This is my favorite thing that's ever happened. I've been using Rosewater Spray on my face for years. It's another one of those like few products that is always stuck in my routine. I use it right when I wash my face. I use it throughout the day to just like help freshen up, to set my makeup. And you guys are getting the Qatari full-size coconut rose toner. This stuff is magical. It smells amazing and it really makes your skin just feel like hydrated and supple and gives you all the goodness. Like, I'm gonna use them right now because I can't help myself every time it's in my hand. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So you're gonna get the full size of that. This is like really all of my summer essentials and faves. We got these super cute summer shape up stickers for you guys. So we're gonna throw one of those in there. And then this is the biggest, like the most exciting part. I mean, they're all very exciting. This is seriously my favorite shirt we've ever done. But this right here is everything. You guys ready? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for months to show it to you. Ah! Look at this. Good Things towel. It is a super soft microfiber round towel with the Good Things written across it. You know, we're all about the good things at Love Sweat Fitness. You got your little logo. These little adorable white tassels across. You guys, it is so soft. It's massive, like literally covering my entire body. So you can like spread it out, have a picnic on it, or just use it to lay out at the beach or at a park. It is so cute. And all of this comes in the bundle and only in the bundle. So you guys, go grab it. If you already have the Lsf plan, you can get just the bundle box. Or if you have been wanting to get the Lsf plan, now is the time to get it because it is a super great deal. You can get the bundle box plus your full Lsf plan and have everything you need to crush the summer shape up. All right, you guys, so that is everything in the bundle box. Again, the Good Things round towel with the fringe. You got your Vital Proteins, your cute summer shape up sticker, the hat, the adorable little crop baby tee, the full size of the rose toner and deodorant. Make sure you go grab them now because they are super exclusive. We have really limited quantities. These are going to fly fast. So I'm gonna put the link below to the LSF shop for you, just my.lsffitness.com. Go grab them, and if you're as excited as I am about this box, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. This is the next good thing coming your way. Bye, guys.